Hi my friend! Gusto mo ba mag-apply ng loan pero hindi ka makalabas ng bahay o maka-absent sa iyong trabaho? Well, itong video na to ay para sa'yo.
Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-apply ng Pag-Ibig loan application online.
So, open your browser, then search lang virtual Pag-Ibig. So, dito tayo sa pagibigfanservices.com. So, click lang tong data privacy, then proceed. Then, dito tayo sa apply for and manage loans. Click lang. Then, apply for a short-term loan. So, ito yung list of requirements na need mo i-prepare para makapag-apply ka ng loan online. So, first, yung loan application form. So, pwede mo ditong ma-download yung form na kailangan mo, multi-purpose loan or calamity loan. Then, fill upan mo yung mga required information. Then, submit sa employer for signature. So, nandito naman yung guide para malaman mo yung mga required information na kailangan pilapan. Then second, yung one valid ID. So, mga government IDs, company ID, yan. And then third is cash card. So, sa cash card, ito na yung bagong loyalty card plus issued by AUB or Union Bank. Then, pwede din yung Land Bank or UCPB cash card. Then, the last one is yung selfie photo. So, mag-picture ka lang showing your valid ID at yung cash card mo. Then, click proceed. So, yan. Choose your loan. So, select loan type. So, select mo lang kung anong loan na na-applyan mo. Multi-purpose loan or calamity loan. So, dito, click ko lang multi-purpose loan. Then, type ko lang tong Pag-Ibig ID number. Then, click validate. So, yan, na-validate na yung information ko. So, dito may required information pa na kailangan fill upan, which is yung mobile number. So, make sure lang yung active mobile number yung i-enter mo. Dahil dito magte-text si Pag-Ibig about the status of your loan. Then ito, optional lang tong landline. Then, ito, required ang email address. So, click lang, next. Proceed on your loan application, okay. Yan. So, may magte-text na OTP sa mobile number mo. So, once na ma-receive mo yon, type mo lang yung OTP code. So, type lang natin. Then, proceed. Ayan. So, ito na yung application form. So, dito sa cash card, so, select mo lang yung cash card na meron ka. So, sa akin, so, ang meron ako ay Loyalty Card Plus Union Bank. So, select ko lang to. And then, kailangan i-enter mo yung, or i-type mo yung cash card number. So, blur ko lang for data privacy. And then, click check cash card status. So, yung status ng cash card ko ay valid. So, valid pa siya. So, proceed na ako sa last step. So, make sure lang na lahat ng requirements ay na-scan mo na or na-picturean mo na para ready na ka na sa next. So, yung next is, ito na yung mag-upload na ng mga requirements. So, first, yung loan application form na front. Ayan, uploading. So, yung file na allowed lang is images or mga picture na JPEG file, PNG or BMP. Then, PDF file. So, next, yung loan application form, yung back page naman. Ayan, uploading. Next, yung valid ID. So, select lang sa file. Ayan. Then, last, yung selfie photo na showing yung valid ID at yung cash card mo. So, yan. Pagka green yung mga ibig sabihin, okay yung file. So, and then, submit. So, you have successfully submitted your loan application. So, screenshot nyo lang para may copy kayo nitong reference number.
A few moments later.
So, after submission ng inyong loan application, pwede mo na ma-check o ma-view ang status ng inyong loan via virtual Pag-Ibig. Click Apply for and Manage Loans, then View Loan Status. Select Type of Loan, and then type your Pag-Ibig number, and then your last name. Then, submit. So, yan. Diyan matatrack ang inyong loan status. Hope you like this video and see you on my next vlog.